Let us try to understand the science of Beejaksharas. Beejaksharas are the vibrations that belong to the astral and causal realm. They are like the background coding of the physical realm. Physical realm itself is a game, whereas astral and causal realm are the lobbies of the game which carries the background coding. So what are the examples of Beejakshara? Om is the primordial sound of universe. This is the original Beejakshara from which all other Beejaksharas are derived. Om also represents the vibrationless consciousness or Shiva. Shreem represents Lakshmi or assets of the consciousness. For example, our body and mind is an asset of the consciousness. Shreem also represents the Panchabhuta, that is Hum, ether, Yam, air, Ram, fire, Vam, water, Lam, earth. Hreem is the Beejakshara used to represent Bhuvaneshwari. She is the one who governs our Sukshma Sharira or the astral body. Our astral body contains three gunas, that is Tamas, which means addictive nature, Rajas, which means egoistic nature, and finally Sattva, which means selfless nature. So when we tell Hreem, the addictive and egoistic nature will get converted to selfless nature inside our astral body. Aim is the Beejakshara used to represent Saraswati, that is knowledge required for the body and mind to exist in the universe. For example, the body requires the knowledge to interact with the external world in order to exist. That is, the skin requires the knowledge to interact with the ground in order to sit or stand on the ground. The eyes requires the knowledge to receive the Vibgyor frequencies in order to understand the universe. The ears requires the knowledge to receive the frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20 kHz in order to understand the universe. Similarly, even the mouth and nose requires the knowledge to interact with the external world. Same goes with emotion and intellect also. Both emotion and intellect are the tools of knowledge used to interact with the external world. Kleem is the Beejakshara used to represent Krishna or attraction. So whatever element in the universe that has shape or form has Kleem in it, because all the elements in the universe that has structure is attractive to the five sensory organs. What that means is everything in the universe has Kleem in it, including the non-living things. For example, this microphone also has Kleem in it because it has a structure and therefore it is appealing to the human eyes. Even a table fan or a tube light has Kleem in it because it has structure and therefore it is appealing to the human eyes. And not only that, Kleem is there in elements of universe which do not have a structure also. For example, if you ask a blind person, what is the nature of this man? Then the blind person will reply saying, the nature of this man is so and so, based upon his gunas or qualities. And therefore, even gunas or qualities can be attractive and hence has Kleem in it. Kreem is the Beejakshara used to represent Kali or time. So whenever we have a desire for something, then there must be a dimension of time to fulfill that desire. This dimension of time is called as Kreem. For example, let us say I have a desire to eat pizza. So for this event to take place, there must be a dimension of time. So this dimension of time is called as Kreem. Kreem not only has the power to bend time, but it also has the power to bend space. And that is why it is one of the most powerful Beejaksharas, which represents Mahakali. Hoom is the Beejakshara used to represent Shiva or detachment from the external world. For example, after eating a pizza, you feel detached from the desire to eat pizza for a brief moment. So this detachment is called as Hoom. So this way, all the Beejaksharas represent different dimensions of the universe or the consciousness. They represent the background coding of the physical universe. So it also means that deities like Kali, Krishna, Bhuvaneshwari, Saraswati, Lakshmi are in the lobby of the game, that is the astral and causal realm. So only by invoking these deities inside our consciousness, we can escape the matrix being the physical realm. Currently, our consciousness is planted with the Beejaksharas of the five sensory organs. So now it is our duty to remove the seeds of the five sensory organs and plant the seeds of the astral and causal realm, like Shreem, Hreem, Mime, Kleem, Kreem, Hoom. So once that is successfully done, once the Kundalini is successfully awakened, we can enter the astral planets like Hiranyaloka. So this is the science of Beejaksharas. Hope you have understood the depth of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Jai Mahakal.